Rose quartz is a gem for improving emotional relationships between spouses and families. One of the problems that the world is dealing with today is the weakening of emotional relationships due to the mental life, due to distance from nature, due to the lack of opportunity to refer to oneself and self knowledge. The result of this wrong lifestyle is the damage of emotional relationships, and these emotional relationships should be strengthened in different areas. Be more friendly with nature, be more friendly with ourselves, love ourselves, and discover the truth of our existence. And we should follow these points that we said to follow in order to be able to repair our emotional relationships. These are points that have a mock respect, but in the field of gem therapy, you should not neglect rose quartz. This stone has been used for this purpose for years in Feng Shui knowledge, and the pink color is associated with the energy of love in mythological cultures. And the manganese element in this stone calms the heart. The healing properties of this stone improve emotional and family relationships. It is between couples and family members. People can use this stone in the form of various products that are available in the market. In reputable stores, there are large sizes of this gem, which is usually used as a decoration at home, and it is cut into beautiful shapes, even in the shape of a heart. Sometimes their weight reaches more than 1 kilogram, and this is perhaps the best and most lasting gift for a family to keep a rose quartz heart in their own home and thus improve their emotional relationships. I think this clip is one of the most important clips that will be introduced to you in this collection of clips. Thank you for being with us so far. If the video was useful for you, please like the video. We will answer your questions in the comments. To see the next videos, subscribe and press the bell to be notified of the next videos. Until the next video, God bless.